Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best 4K car camera in this video? I will show you the top 5 best 4K car camera to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Lingdu 4K Dual Dashcam LD01. Specifications. Brand name, Lingdu. View angle, 150 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 500 mega. Interface, Wi-Fi, micro SD/TF. Assembly mode, hidden type. Chipset manufacturer, M-Star. Frames per second, 25. Warranty, 1 year. Number 4 is Lingdu AM100. Specifications. Brand name, Lingdu. Screen ratio, 4:3. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 3 inches. Interface, AV-in, USB 2.0, micro SD/TF. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Huawei. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. As the item number 3 we've selected, Vantru N4. Specifications. Brand name, Vantru. Aperture, f1.8. View angle, 160 degrees. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, 5.0 MP comms. Display size, 2.45 inches. Interface, HDMI, micro SD/TF. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 18 months. Number 2 is Vantru N4 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Vantru. Display, IPS. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, SONY STARVIS 2 IMX678. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Assembly mode, portable recorder. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Weight, 900 grams. On the top of our list at number 1 we have BFO A229 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, BFO. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Max external memory, 512GB. GPS logger, internal. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year.